How do I add music to my video in CapCut? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create Login Delete. In this video, I'm gonna simply show you how to add music in CapCut videos. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open CapCut. Now tap on this option New Project. Select the video that you want to add music. I'm gonna select this one video. After you have selected the video, you can also mute the original audio of the video. I'm gonna do that. For that, tap on this option of Mute Clip Audio. Now to add new music, tap on this option of Add Audio. Over here you can find different options. Tap on this option of Sounds. Now from here you can easily search the song's name and you can just easily add it. At the top you can see that search bar. Type in the name of the singer or song. I'm gonna add this one song. You have to tap on this plus icon and it is done. Again tap on sound. If you want to get these sounds from the TikTok, you can easily sign into your TikTok account and sync your favorite sounds as well. You can see that I have easily added music to my video in CapCut. In this way, you can easily do that as well. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.